everyone, Artemis here. Just a quick video on a new feature that's just been introduced as part of OBS 27, which was released today. Today being the 2nd of June 2021, well, here in Australia at least. So we'll just dive straight into it. And here we go. So what we've got here is just a bit of gameplay video, and one of the things that you can now do is what they call a source transition. With a source transition, you could group a few things together and make them appear in fancy ways. For example, I can have status bars appear, or cameras appear off to the side left and right, and then have it slide away, once again off to the side there if I hit the right keys here. Oh, there we go. Okay, so all I've done for that is I've got 4 groups here, and in those groups I've got text, or if I make it appear, I have text, the border, and a nice little fancy background there. And on the cameras, it's quite literally just a source mirror and the image for the border. So let's turn those off appropriately and then have it disappear like that. And the fancy part of it all is when you literally go right click, show transition, slide, and I've set it for a second myself because that gives it a nice time to appear and disappear. Same with the hide transition with the slide. So, and I've attached that to the group, not to the individual items. If you wanted to, you could have it go and do various levels, but I'm finding it just easier just to do it like this. Now, what you could do is you could make it and change it to anything you want. You could do a Luma wipe, maybe do a sinus. Do that, and we'll do the same for the hide, and change that to sinus as well. So if I go back to my little scene here, and I was to hide that, you can see how now it makes it appear, but that doesn't affect any of the other ones which I haven't touched yet. Okay. Alright, so that's the basics of it all. There's a lot you could potentially do with it all. Just a quick video showing you this new feature. Play with it, have some fun, and just think of all the possibilities you could now do with your stream or your video. Alright everyone, have a good one. Talk to you soon.